Welcome to Like YouTubers. Today I'll be showing you how to make Minecraft thumbnails like Jelly. So first you want to go in Google, type Minecraft and your topic. So today I'm just gonna go with mention. So let's start mention. So basically if your topic is visiting Minecraft mansion or building Minecraft mansion, you can if you come visiting a Minecraft mansion, just type in Minecraft mansion. So image is loading. Just wait. Alright, what you want to do now is scroll down and look for the best one that you like under your topic. So just try to keep looking. See what you like. Alright, y'all. So I think I found what I like, man. So I think I'm gonna use this. So what you want to do? Click the link under the picture. I'd say if your website gonna come up, if the website is multiple pictures, just look for the picture that you picked. Then you wanna hold. If it's you're lucky. Hold on a picture, click download. It's download. Then you wanna snap a picture of you in a shocking moment, whatever topic is. Then go into Photoshop, link in the description. Create a new project, blank cut document. Type this 1280. Next one 720. Okay. So now you wanna add the download that you did. Click the add now. Yeah. And now go into downloads and look for it. Then you gonna size it up just like how you like it. Man, so I'm gonna size up mine now and see how I like it. I like it just like this. It actually look good, so I'm gonna pick it like that. So now you want to add the picture that you took of your expansion. Do the same again. Now look for the picture that you took. Alright. So when you pick it, just add it anywhere you want. Now you want to click that. Make sure hold it, my man, and just click that, man. Then you turn on mouse pointer. Make sure you click that little thing, that circle thing at the bottom, right there. Yeah, that little circle thing. Click each time you're ready to stable it. Like, yeah. And let's go around the whole entire body that the picture is stuck in. And yeah, I'll see you when I'm done. Alright, so I'm done. Now make sure you close that back. Now click that at the top and extract it. There you go. Now you want to position it how you like it. So I'm gonna do that. Make sure you turn off your mouse pointer, yeah, and go back to the square. And yeah, I'm positioning it. So basically, Jelly always make his picture bright. So make it bright. The one with your face. I'm gonna do it now. Alright, so I got it. It's prepared. Save it. Dang. Now you wanna click that thing. Click save photo, select that, click OK, and your photo is saved. So my final results look like this, super bright, nice, clean, and everything. So you got your thumbnail.